Do you have a lot of research questions that might need more than a quick chat to answer? A research appointment might be right for you. Research appointments are 25-minute individual meetings with a Harper librarian where you can get help with any research questions you might have. Appointments are done on video chat, so you and the librarian can talk and share information addressing your specific needs. Times are available every day, including evenings and weekends. To schedule a time, click on the Research Appointments link on the left side of the Harper College Library website. When you're ready, click on Schedule an Appointment. Scroll down and select from the 25-minute slots displayed, or click on More Times to see more options. You can schedule an appointment up to 2 weeks in advance. Once you select a time, click Continue. Fill out the form with as much information as you can. It's especially important to tell us about any assignments you're working on so our librarians can prepare ideas before your meeting. If you have a copy of your assignment, it helps if you can attach that too. After submitting your request, you'll get an email confirming your date and time and giving you information about how you'll log in. We hope to see all of you in appointments soon.